Typically when you think of an overcast sky, it's when you can't see the sun.
But this January, we got to see what looking at clouds from above, or undercast, is like. CENTER Maine meteorologist Jason Nappi explains this weather phenomenon you can only see from the top of a mountain or an airplane.
We're going to talk about undercast here and what that means, what it looks like. You can see it here very easily from what Griffin sent in. This is undercast here. So think about overcast where you can't really see the sun. If you're on a mountain though, you can see undercast very clearly. So it's kind of like upside down. Let's talk about what that is in more detail, weather-wise and meteorologically speaking here. Some fancy terms, an inversion. Now, this is not an inversion. This is where you got warmer, cooler, cold. As you go up, typically the air is going to rise as long as the surrounding air is cooler. However, what happens here in an inversion, you have a warm inversion layer. So things are kind of upside down. So let's say this is Augusta right here. Here you've got clouds that can't escape. The moisture can't escape because that warm layer is preventing that. So the clouds get trapped. And if you're above those clouds, like what you saw on the mountain, you could see down at the undercast. So here in layman's terms, in text version, temps increase with height instead of decreasing. That's the inversion. Moisture gets trapped in the atmosphere, and it happens all the time. This is not rare, but when enough moisture is trapped there below the inversion, you have the clouds going on, and that's what this exactly looks like at Saddleback from last week. You see, once the clouds kind of clear, watch here, the skiers are looking at that exact inversion here in the sky, and there it is. In the valley, the moisture is trapped. You've got obviously the warmer air trapping that, and that means that the cooler air cannot escape. So there's the inversion, a very pretty sunset over at Saddleback just a few days ago.
Jason Nappi with that. That's pretty cool.